Hey everybody, so it's the end of August here. We're going to give Scotts Hotrods a call and I'm going to put it on the video.
Scotts Hotrods, how can I help you?
Yes, good morning. This is Steve with Blue Oval Rescue. Is Jeff available, please? I've had a chassis on order for over a year. All right, hey guys, we're recording. I got the Scotts Hotrod chassis here in the shop. Got to figure out how I'm going to get it off the trailer, which is going to be kind of sketchy. Probably not going to put that on camera, but look at this thing. I know it's wet because it was raining, which sucks. I'm going to have to wipe this down really, really good. But man, it's beautiful so far. Sweet. All right, I got to get this thing off. Hey everybody, I'm Steve, this is Blue Oval Rescue, and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I hope to earn your subscription today. If you've been a long-time subscriber, guess what? We finally have the Scotts Hotrod chassis. Check it out. Fully adjustable coilovers, rack and pinion, power rack and pinion. Set up for a Coyote style block, but I believe we are still going with the 7.3 Godzilla. Adjustable mount for the transmission. That's going to be the Tremec 6-speed. That's backwards because you can read it from upside down. I hope I never read that on the car. 4-link rear end. Wattslink back there. Fully adjustable coilovers on both sides. Fuel tank, sending unit, and fittings, braided lines, all the supply and return line for the fuel system, brake lines for back here, and we also have, I haven't opened this box yet, but I'm assuming that this is going to be the Moser pumpkin for the rear axle. We also have the actual axles and a full Wildwood disc brake system. Let's unbox these. And then we have Any Dog and her ball. Get it, buddy. Oh, good catch. Superstar. Boing. This might be upside down. I need a screwdriver. What's in there, huh? Okay, let's open this up. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it smells good. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hey, good. Plugs for the pumpkin. Some mounting. Oh, nice for the axle or the drive shaft. Very, very cool. Let's open the other boxes. You start with those axles. What's in here, puppy? What's in there? Get it. Ooh. There's nothing in there. Nothing for you anyway. Check it out. Beautiful little axles. Right on. Awesome, man. Very, very stoked. Okay, let's open the disc brakes. So this is going to be, the top box is 13-inch rotor front. And then this one is rear 13-inch rotor. Let's open them up. We want to see them. Wow. I'm so happy this is here. 16 months. Wow, look at stickers. You gotta have the stickers. Beautiful. Wow, look at all this stuff in here. Don't know if I'm gonna take any of this out just because I don't want to lose it. Oh, this is one of the rotors. No, this is an empty box. There's absolutely nothing in there. Okay. Brackets. What is this? Brake pads. Oh man, these boxes are heavy in here. All right, brake pads. Let's pull out one of these. Brake component. Oh, it's upside down. Okay, caliper. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Wildwoods. Look at that. Oh. 6 pistons. Woohoo! Man, Christmas came early for me, man. I tell you what. What else is here? Those rotors are way down there. What is this? All right. How's this box open? What the heck, Bobby? Okay. All right. I don't know what this is. It's lightweight. Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. Let's check out one of these rotors. No, watch out, puppy. Oh, there's another. Ah, beautiful. So these rotors, I'm sure there's attachment hardware inside there. Those attach to those. These are the hubs. These are the caliper brackets, I believe. These are the brake pads, obviously, and those are the calipers. So that's just the front. The back is going to be identical. Shall we open it? Yeah, why not? Annie has other ideas, though. She wants me to throw the ball. Don't we throw that, pups, huh? All right, it's going under the blazer. Does this box look like it got mangled? Well, everything looks okay. It's not crushed or anything. I don't want to mix these up. That's an empty box again. Ooh, they even gave me some, what are these? Brake lines? Yeah, sweet deal. Little brake lines. Wow. Dude, I got a master cylinder in here too? Dude, no way. That is awesome. I'm not going to take everything out of this box. It's basically the same stuff. Well, except for the master cylinder and the brake lines. Look at that. Tons of great stuff. Look at all these little fittings and everything. What's this? It doesn't say, but AN fittings. Dude, this is amazing. Moser Engineering. So this goes for the rear axle? Yeah. Okay. Rear end housing instructions. Yeah, this goes for the rear axle. That's why this box has been opened before. They threw all this stuff in here. These actually, I believe, go for the front end. Lock. I'm pretty sure those go to the front. I really don't want to mix this stuff up from front to back. What is this? Oh yeah, look at that. That's how we attach all the rotors to the hubs. Ooh, this stuff gets safety wired. Beautiful. See all those little tiny holes right there? For the military guys out there that work on aircraft, you'll know what safety wire is. I tell you, this is amazing. I'm not going to unbox this one, though. It's got too many small parts in it. In fact, I'm going to put these back in here. I'm going to close it back up. And I'm going to put all that stuff back in that box. I tell you what, man, waiting 16 months for this and having it arrive just before Christmas is amazing. I can't wait to get all this stuff in. Whew, look at this thing here, right? Sorry, you don't need the tape measure in the picture. So, what we're going to do next, I'm going to give Annie some tools because she's got to help me. But got to get the car on top of the frame. Got to figure out how we're going to fabricate. I mean, there's a ton of fabrication still left. Once the floor pan, I need to buy more metal. Once I get the floor pan fabricated and figure out a way how we're going to bolt to this chassis, they did have some, look, they got some threaded inserts here. There. And those are like in the middle of the frame. I got two back here over the rear axle, one there and one there. So those are going to be our mounting points to the car. But as you know, there's nothing in here at all. I got no floor. I'm going to have to modify the firewall, obviously, to get the frame in there. I'm going to have to hack out a couple of corners, I believe. But I also have to fabricate some holders for my rotisserie, because I'm going to actually mount the rotisserie to each side of the car on the rockers. And that's how I'm going to lift it up and then slide this chassis up underneath it. So the very next thing I have to do actually is fabricate the little brackets to hold the pinch weld on the bottom of the rockers on the bottom of the car. I'm going to fabricate those brackets for the rotisserie. Then we'll get the car lifted up. We'll get the chassis situated underneath it. We'll lower that car down and check out how we're going to do the floor pan. I don't have the I don't have the engine transmission yet. I was kind of waiting for this because I just didn't want to sit in here in the shop. So this is here. We'll go ahead and get that engine and transmission so we can help with some lining up of the tunnel and whatnot. But man, I'm super stoked. I'm super happy. I've been waiting, as you guys know, and a lot of you guys have been waiting just as long as I have. Since I placed this order last August, it's finally here in the shop. And I'm just beyond the moon. And Christmas is just in a few days, but my Christmas came early. And can't wait to start putting it together for you guys and for me. This has been a dream of mine for a very long time. Like, I've had that car 9 years, man. Hey guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I know it's a little shorter than normal, but you know, I promised I would get this out to you as soon as I had it. We're gonna start working on it right away. Nothing to wait. I mean, I got tons of work I can do now. Just tons. As soon as we get this thing mounted up under the car, I can get all the body panels fastened on properly. And you know, I just can't wait to start working on it. You know, it's kind of late in the day. I picked this up this morning. I spent all day unpacking and cleaning up. It was really secured very well inside that giant crate that they fabricated for this thing. It took quite a while to unscrew everything and then cut it all up and get rid of that wood. So then I had to put everything in its place. So, hey, that's going to do it for today's video. Please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. All right, see ya.